what's up? JAYFROS here, back with another video today. Today, we're doing a little video. We're at a classic car show, and I'm also going to show you what's new on the MX-5.
Fist them players, we kinda like laid back. In some clean ass rides, blunts in the sack, or blowing the pack, hitting the park at about 3. Sometimes a little later, the last day of the week, and it couldn't get any greater than leaving the pocket, hitting that Southpaw strip.
So I was going to do a video a bit earlier on this, but we have some brand new Enkei RPF1 wheels sitting on Michelin Pilot Sport 3s, some of the best tyres I could get for this, and I think these look absolutely amazing. They didn't come with these, but I recently put these on and it looks so much more better, just really complements the car. The old wheels were a bit, they sort of had it a bit. These were a bit sort of expensive, but these were imported from Japan, I think, these wheels. They're just some of the best in the business. They're really light, and of course, because I'm taking this car on track, that's a proper track wheel. Also, next to the MX-5, we got another MX-5 in red, same headlights. And also right here, I was talking to this guy. This is a Tokyo limited version. I believe he said there was only a very, very few of these ever made. I think he said only 40. Yep. And he said he found this in a barn. Really like the seats.
Seats aren't original.
No, seats aren't original. They do complement it quite well though.
Yeah, I've got the original ones, which are more or less cream, like
Yeah. It's nice. Also, right next to the MX-5, we have a classic piece of British motoring history, a Ford Escort, I think this is, RS Turbo. And right here we've got a classic Peugeot convertible or cabriolet. I think this is this style of convertible. Peugeot 205 GTI. And absolutely take a look at this Rover 45. Now, not many people would probably take a liking to this, but I just absolutely admire how good condition this in. Like, I know there's a lot, like, more, I guess there's a lot better cars, but I just love, like, how good this paint job is. Just look at that.
One owner from you.
Yeah.
All the original tax discs.
Yeah.
Original example.
Yeah.
And in the colour 5 Frost Red.
That's nice. So there's only been one other owner.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks really good.
It's all the original paintwork.
Has this been ceramic coated or?
No.
No.
I think it's been diamond bright
Yeah.
finish from new, but
Yeah.
it's been in the garage. I think the previous owner used to, every time he used to drive it, I used to clean it, then put it in the garage.
Really?
So it's just done just over 35,000 miles.
35,000 miles. What year is this?
2004.
2004. That's pretty good.
Yes.
And what colour was this?
So 5 Frost Red.
5 Frost Red.
An original example.
That is quite nice.
Yeah. Everything original.
It looks really good. It looks like you take good care of it. That's really clean. Take a look at that. Hello, my name is Poppy, it says. It's an Austin. I don't know what type. It's an Austin 7 Club. Imagine this is an Austin 7 then. Very nice car. I imagine this is from the 1920s, I would say. Oh, look at that. Take a look at this Mini Cooper. These things are absolutely tiny. It's got a bit of a show going on with all of his teddy bears. Kind of reminds me of Mr. Bean having the teddy bear in the front. Just look at that, the Union Jack flag. Look at this, this is like something straight out of Mad Max. What is it? This is a forwards. I thought this was a Bel Air, but just look at this. It's a bit of a, what is this, a drag racing thing? I don't know, but it's lifted. I'm not sure what this is, or maybe it's some form of off-road racing thing. I honestly do not know, but it looks crazy. And really, I'm really digging these wheels on this Mercedes. Just look at that. I think this is what they actually, whether this actually came with it or whether it's a later AMG model sort of reels. Does that say AMG on it? No, this is Performer 25 or Performance. I don't know. Just look at that. I really like the wheels on that. Yeah, this crazy thing. I'm not so sure really what this is. This is like a custom built thing maybe, or like some hot rods. Just look at that. And we have a Ford XR3i. These are rare. Ford Escort XR3i. I think this is sort of like the version below the RS Turbo. So this is like the sort of middle hatch version, I think. But these are, I think these are maybe a little bit more rare than, I'm not 100% so sure. I like the colour on it though. Bright red, that looks really nice. Look at this, we've got a Ford pickup truck. I don't know what type of Ford this is, but this looks really old. Just take a look at that. It looks really good, like styling wise as well. And take a look at this yellow Volvo. We haven't even made it. I'm not going to be able to film all of these cars here because there's just so many nice cars. Volvo 850. These are really nice from what I heard. And it's a T5R, so I think this has the Focus ST engine in it. The 5-cylinder. I absolutely love what is originally a Volvo engine. Not a Focus, but it's in the Focus ST. But yeah, I think this is cooler though. Maybe, I don't know. I just love 5-cylinders. They sound really nice. We've got this Lotus. I think this is an Aspera, I would say. Looks really nice. From the Spree, whatever you call it. That looks really nice. Or is it a Lan? I'm not, because I know I should know that because the MX-5 is based off of that. But it looks really nice. It's either one of those. I don't know. It might be. I don't know. Ooh. And we got. Looks like we got. I'm not sure what this is. This is a Ginetta. I've heard of Ginetta. I don't know what type of Ginetta this is though. But I do know it's a British brand. Absolutely, I love that one. That is so. Both of those cars are really nice. And we also got this racing car thing. Wow, I bet this is a lot of fun to take out on track. I would absolutely love to take this out on track. Looks like it's road legal as well because it's got a license plate. Wow, basically a race car for the streets it seems. Whether this originally is a race car and being converted, I don't know. But just take a look at that. I don't know what that is, but if you could let me know what that is, that would be insane. So we've got a Subaru STI, just look at this.
Come around. Give me a bit of advice.
22B I think this is. Oh, just look at that, this is a bit of me. I do like the Subarus and I do like the Evos as well. I'm not so sure what I prefer. I think I do prefer the Evo maybe, but I love just how aggressive these look on the front. I absolutely love how aggressive they are. Rally legend right there. Yep, so we spotted a fourth MX-5 of the day. This is the one I probably thought about getting maybe as a daily. I had a little bit of a thought of it, No, I know it's probably not the most practical, but if I ever do get a daily, I might consider it. We also got a Porsche. I also considered one of these as well. We've got that sunroof. I wasn't so sure if it was this one. It was the 944. Nice. I think they're fairly affordable. Renault 5 GT Turbo. This is an absolute classic. Just take a look at this. Is that what I think it is? Yes, it is. Take a look at this. We got a Ford GT40. Probably not a real one, but these replicas are really close to the real thing, and I would absolutely love one of these, even if it is a replica. Just take a look at this. This is a dream car for me. These did really well in Le Mans. These absolutely dominated, and I just think this car is just beautiful. What the shape of it, I just love it. We have a Corvette. I don't know. It's a really nice Corvette, but I thought it said, oh, it's also a manual. It's also a manual, but I thought it said cars 25 years or older. But I do like it. I do like it. Also got a Camaro with a massive supercharger. Take a look at that. And take a look at this. It's my absolute favourite car. We have, I don't know why my thing is swerving like that. We have a red Toyota Supra. I love this colour. Just take a look. Japanese engineers really did well on this one. These cars are so reliable, bulletproof, they can handle a lot of power. It's also a manual, which is a double plus for me. A lot of these are actually automatic, but this one seems to be a manual, which is an extra price tag, but just look at that. I love the colour of that as well. I don't think I've seen one in like this. I'm not so sure if did they even sell them like this, or is this a custom paint job?